The snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year.
Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? So whenever the temperature drops here in London, it is turned into wintry wonderland. So it's December already and it's my favorite time of the year because London looks super festive. It looks super beautiful with all the beautiful Christmas lights, and this video is going to be all about that. So in this video I'm going to give you guys a self-guided walking tour of central London. So all the major locations with beautiful Christmas lights, decor, trees, everything will be covered in this video. And yes, you guys can actually walk through all these amazing locations. And if you guys are not from London, don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a virtual tour of Christmas in London. Let's go.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
We are at our first stop, that is Covent Garden. So from here the walking tour starts. So basically it's gonna be like a series of different locations, and I'm gonna mention everything in the description box. You need to just add all those locations in a series wise in your Google map, and then you can have that self-guided walking tour. So yes, let's begin exploring Covent Garden.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
I'm surrounded by Christmas
Tomorrow
trees.
it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
So guys, at the back you can see all the Lego installations. So here in Covent Garden you can actually have this tour for the kids. It's really lovely. Actually you need to book the tickets online, and you just need to enter from here and see all the installations. It's super cute actually. Can you spot all these beautiful, really big mistletoe and baubles on the roof of Covent Garden Market?
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
Guys, I think I'm just gonna cry just looking at this huge Christmas tree. It's super beautiful.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year.
So I would highly recommend to start this tour at 3 o'clock because as you can see there is daylight and you can still see all the beautiful lights switched on, and you can easily take pictures. And then starting from 3:30 till 4 o'clock it starts getting a bit dark, and by 4:30 it's completely dark. So you can actually see all the beautiful Christmas lights during the dark, and you can see Covent Garden during daytime. Now we are off to second location, that is St. James. They have got this really beautiful Christmas tree, and then starts the tour of Christmas lights. Let's go.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Oh my god, there's fake snow everywhere.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people.
On my way to St. James, I actually spotted this really amazing, beautiful lane. It has got beautiful lights and also some really amazing bookshops. Actually gives a feel of Harry Potter. And yeah, it's fabulous.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire.
So guys, the walk to St. James is actually 15 minutes, and I spotted so many light installations that I would tell you guys that you have to, you know, walk from Covent Garden to St. James. You don't know what you're gonna spot. I mean, the whole city looks beautiful right now. I mean, I'm super mesmerized. I have no idea why, but you know, I might be overexcited because I really love this time of the year with all the lights and everything, and it just makes me happy. I mean, the child inside me actually comes out during this time, but I think every day I'm like this. I'm always excited, but yes, this time of the year it's something else. We have reached St. James, and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful the tree is.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
Look, I found a Santa Claus.
You speak Indian?
Yeah, Hindi.
Hindi.
Whoa, where did you learn? Oh my god, so this happened. So the Santa is actually an Italian, but he loves DDLJ the movie and can actually sing Ichak Dana Bichak Dana. I mean, how cool is that? DDLJ is quite famous everywhere. Yes, here is St. James, and I'm gonna show you guys a surprise. Regent Street.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights.
So the Golden Angels are back. These are like the signature light installations of Regent Street. Every year we see these Golden Angels, really beautiful. And yes, it is actually the largest light installation in the country. Can you imagine? They are using around 300,000 LEDs. Whoa!
You should come back home to me, and when we wake up in the morning.
So guys, now we are off to Bond Street. So there is Burlington Arcade, Cartier showroom, and a lot more, really beautifully decorated. And the walk from St. James till Bond Street is amazing because you're walking alongside these golden, beautiful light installations.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun.
So I'm on my way to Bond Street, and look what I found. Fortnum and Macy.
Sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
So this year they have created an advent calendar decoration. Look at the first. It's lighted.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So I'm right outside Burlington Arcade, and look how beautiful it is. So every year during Christmas, all the shopping arcades in London is so beautifully decorated. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from inside.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
So right through the Burlington Arcade, we have actually arrived at Bond Street.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
So right now I'm outside Cartier showroom, and it has been decorated so beautifully, and it's the perfect place to click Instagram pictures. It's super famous on Instagram. Even I have an Instagram picture, you know, click right outside this beautiful Cartier showroom. You need to follow me on Instagram if you want to find more such beautiful locations.
We chillin' and having a good time.
Apart from the Cartier showroom, Bond Street is really famous for these peacock feather lights. So the Christmas lighting here is gorgeous, and there are so many shops here. So it's like a perfect place to enjoy your holidays.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't.
Love, heal, believe, strength, happy, kind. Choose love, Carnaby. Such an amazing message. I'm right now at Carnaby Street and the lighting is really awesome. So this time Carnaby Street has collaborated with a charity called Choose Love, and they have installed various light boxes with a very strong message, that is love and hope, all the amazing messages.
Painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter.
So this time in Oxford Street there are 27 LED light curtains all over the street with really strong message. Also guys, there's this really fascinating thing. Every week Oxford Street will actually feature one name, the star, who actually went an extra mile to help someone in need during this pandemic. So yes, it's a very nice thing.
Gonna dance all night long. We're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.
So guys, I'm back home. I am going to mention everything in the description box regarding this self-guided walking tour if you guys also want to go on this kind of walking tour and enjoy Christmas in London. All in all, it will take roughly around 1.5 hours and you can actually walk through all the major locations. So yes, that was it guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.